Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Kodak 32-inch HD Ready LED TV. This is a 32-inch LED TV that comes with a full HD display and 60 Hz of screen refresh rate. It also comes with two HDMI ports, two USB ports and a VGA port as well. This TV has a sound output of 20 watts. Now let's begin the unboxing. This is what the TV looks like. Let's see what else is there in the box. This is the user manual for the TV and this is the warranty card for the same. This is the remote control for the TV. Next we have the TV stands and these are two AAA batteries for the remote control. There are also some accessories for mounting the TV on the wall. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Kodak 32-inch HD Ready LED TV. Thank you for watching.